This is the falling down water bottle.
Oh! I did not touch that.
It touched his hip.
No, it didn't.
Well, it was right
Hip, water bottle. Super close. Super close. Super close.
I farted.
Okay. The next trick shot is the last trick shot for this video. Let's do